Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Georgeville starts with a balanced budget, but then the government raises spending and taxes by the exact same amount. Let's solve this fast right now. The government budget balance is simply the total tax revenue and total public expenditures. Since both values increased by the same amount, the net change to the budget is zero. Because the increase in expenditures is perfectly offset by the increase in income taxes, the budget remains in balance. There is no new deficit created by this specific policy change today. Since the budget stays balanced, the government does not borrow money. Therefore, the national debt remains the same, making option D our final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given information and check your steps carefully.